Yo, it's your boy TC the Barber back with another haircut tutorial for you today. This is going to be exclusive, man. You're going to like it, you're going to love it. So he's going to be cutting his dreads off and he's going to be moving on to a taper. So he came in and said, hey man, I'm cutting my dreads off, what you think? I said, man, I got just the cut for you. So in this first step, what I'm going to be doing, lifting the dreads up off the head. And I'm going to be cutting them off one by one. Now I'm going to speed this up, so this is going to be a long process, so we're going to move on to the next step. Next step, I'm going to be picking the head out, lifting hair off the scalp, so I can come in with that 2 guard against the grain. So with the 2 guard, with the cordless and these masters against the grain, taking it down to the desired length that he wants. And then I'm going to come back with a hot towel to lay the hair down. So right here, hot towel is the technique that I use when I want the hair to lay down. And also it softens the hair as well. Now put some pressure on that towel. It's pretty hot, man, so I know he's relaxed right now. And right here, I'm scrubbing out his head to get any leftover danger that was in his head, you know. And we finna get them smooth together, man. Y'all gotta watch this, man. So right here, I'm coming in with my Andy's T-liners, cordless. Man, I'm Andy'd out, man. I Andy'd everything. So right here, just setting my first guideline. Making sure I get all the hair at the bottom of the neck. Make that fade real smooth. So with the Walls Magic Clip with the lever all the way open, I'm going to be going up about a ½ inch, setting my second guideline. With the lever all the way closed. And as you can see, I'm flicking out this first guideline that you see here. Now I adjust it to about half, and I'm gonna be flicking up to the line, but I'm gonna keep the guideline. I'm not gonna go past the first that guideline that you see there. I'm gonna just be flicking up to it, and I'm just working the bottom of the fade right now. And as you can see, it's already blended, man. Right now with the 1 guard, with the lever all the way open. And I'm going to be creating my third guideline right here. So I'm going to be adjusting to half right here. I did that just because I couldn't see the guideline that I was creating with the 1 all the way open. So I came back with the half just so I can see that guideline, so I can see what I'm working with. So as you can see, got that third guideline in. Now I'm gonna blend up under that with the 0 guard all the way closed, and I'm working that line out as you can see. Respect the process, baby, respect the process. Now I adjusted to about half right here. And I'm going to repeat the same step. Flicking up to the line. I'm not going to go past that line because that's my guideline. So right now I'm blending out the second guideline at the bottom of the third guideline. So with the one guard back on there, and I got the lever to in between half and open. And right now I'm working that line out just constantly. So this is that third guide line that I'm flicking out. And I came back with the one guard just because I already know these sides, the side of the head, these sides in the back of the head is about at a close to a 2. So right now this is the one guard all the way, well, notch before open. And as you can see, not trying to do is trying to create any guidelines. Right now I'm just flicking up to the line and get that blend out, getting that line out. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and line the back of the head up. And these are my skeleton Babylissporfxtrimmers Pro trimmers. I said that all back, but everybody know what I'm talking about if you got them. And I'm gonna be setting in this guideline. Setting in this hairline, lining them up around the back of the neck, up and over the ears, and just getting that crispy lining in there. I always take long with my linings for some reason, and that's because I'm very particular. You know what I mean? Because not only the fade got to be right, that lining got to be crispy. You feel me? On G. So same you do for one side, the same you do for the next side. So I'm gonna speed this up because we already know the line is gonna be crispy. We already know how it's gonna turn out. So right here, what I'm be doing is setting in my first guideline on the right side of the head, and we're gonna try to line this guideline up with the end of the eyebrow. And as you see, got that first guideline set in. Now I'm going to be coming with my walls magic clip with the lever all the way open. And I'm going to be going up about a 1/4 inch. Creating this second guideline right here with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to be blending out that line that you see right there. And as you can see, I tapped it one time and it's already blended. Adjusted to about half now. Now I'm going to be flicking up to the line. And like I said, it's my guideline, so I'm not going to go past that. I'm going to come back with the one guard with the lever all the way open. And as you see, I'm just blending. It's just blend work time right here. Using the corner of my blades just to get in those small areas. And as you can see, it's already starting to blend. Now I'm going to come back with a 0 guard with the lever to about half. And you can see this line that I'm working out here. Using that corner of that blade right there and just flicking at it. And as you can see, that process is already starting. It's already starting to blend like I want it. adjusting to about in between half and close. And just keeping it consistent, working that line out. Now adjusting to about close right now. Just the lever all the way open. And I'm not digging into the fade, I'm just flicking out. And like I said, the same you do to one side, the same you do to the other. So I'm just gonna speed this part up. So my boy TJ, he came in and he was just like, man, you know, he had his dreads for a long time, so he was just like, hey, yo, Tom, man, you got to get me right. I said, man, I got you. We gonna get you this nice cut, and you gonna be fresh right here. I'm using the one guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm just what I like to do. I seen a couple of barbers do this, and basically clean up the front line, so that way once you come back with the hairline, it'll be crispy. Just a technique that I seen and I liked it. So it's just taking the front line down just a little bit. Makes the line pop. So right here, I always start in the middle, as you can see right here, and I trace that line right across to the left side of the head, and then I work that right side of the head. So it's his right side, his right side, but it's my left side. Anyways, that don't even matter. So as you can see, man, I'm finessing this lining and putting this lining on this fade, man. It brings it together. So I always say the lining is the most important part, man. So and as you can see, just this side right here, it's already started to put some definition to the fade. It's crazy. And as you can see, I speeded this part up here double time. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the face. I didn't put this, this was kind of last minute. He wanted me to do the face, so I was like, yeah, okay, I got you, man, don't even worry about it. So as you can see, man, working those corners, baby. Right now with the one guard all the way closed, and I'm just going over my work, just laying the hair down, get it nice and smooth. And as you can see, man, the cut is already there. It's already in there. I must say, I'm getting this man together. So we're gonna start with the mustache trim. Cleaning around the face. Get that mustache nice and crispy, and like, ooh wee. And one thing about I know for me as a barber, when somebody come in and they looking for something new, I definitely try to pay attention to details, and try to execute, man. That's the most important part. Give the people what they want. Give the people what they want. And like I said, barbering to me is art, man. You can call it cutting hair if you want to, but it's an art. Right here, just shaping the goatee up, getting some of the wild hairs. That's all that is. Especially when it comes to the lining too. Also, I definitely love to use that mirror. The mirror is your best friend. It shows you what you might have missed and what you need to touch up. Yeah, man, use that mirror, guys. And this is for anybody who don't use the mirror. Use that mirror, man. Experienced barbers or no experienced barbers, use that mirror, man. Mirror gonna keep you consistent. And as you can see, this is the cut. YouTube, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like and subscribe and support, man. And I'm gonna be dropping more of these videos, man. I'm gonna try to stay consistent with it. And this is the cut. TC the Barber, man. Checking out. Peace.